Yeah.
Can you call my sister for me?
Let me just get my cell phone out.
Can I just tell her that I'm gonna be late to my doctor's appointment?
What's her number?
It's 440 269 90 3 2. Okay, that's it. Bye.
Hello? Hello?
Yes.
I was gonna say, took me 20 minutes to call. Oh, I was say. Why did we late to our appointment for her vagina doctor? So, just got infected.
Why didn't you call the doctor?